Welcome to my channel. Have you ever heard someone say that eating garlic with honey first thing in the morning can improve your health? If you're over 60, you may have seen this popular home remedy online. But is it really as beneficial as people claim? Today we'll look at what science says about garlic and honey, their potential health benefits, and who should be careful before trying this combination. Let's get started. Benefit 1. Garlic contains natural plant compounds. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, including allicin, which forms when fresh garlic is crushed or chopped. Researchers have studied these compounds for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Benefit 2. Honey adds natural sweetness. Honey contains small amounts of antioxidants and can be used instead of refined sugar in some recipes. However, it's still a source of added sugars, so moderation is important, especially for people with diabetes. Benefit 3. May support heart health. Some studies suggest garlic may support heart health as part of an overall healthy diet. This doesn't mean garlic or honey can prevent or cure heart disease. Healthy eating, regular activity, and following your doctor's advice remain the most important steps. Benefit 4. May support immune function. Both garlic and honey have been studied for compounds that may support normal immune function. They're best viewed as part of a balanced diet rather than a miracle remedy. Benefit 5. How to enjoy them safely. If you enjoy garlic and honey, use small amounts. Fresh garlic can be added to meals, and a small amount of honey can sweeten tea or yogurt. There's no strong evidence that taking large amounts provides extra health benefits. We should be careful. Garlic may interact with blood-thinning medications and can increase the risk of bleeding in some people. Honey can raise blood sugar, so people with diabetes should discuss their intake with a healthcare professional. If you have any medical conditions or take prescription medications, talk with your doctor before making significant dietary changes. Final thoughts. Garlic and honey can be part of a healthy eating pattern, but they aren't magic cures. The healthiest approach after 60 is to focus on balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, quality sleep, and routine medical care. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried garlic with honey? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more senior health videos every day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.